Well, I'm about to unbox my brand new Denon DJ Prime 4 DJ controller standalone unit. It's been like a couple of weeks since I bought this from my local guitar center. It took forever for me personally. I've been doing this since I think I was 14. If it wasn't in 84 or 5, I'm pretty sure it was 1986 when I started doing this, and was actually influenced by DJ Mr. Mitz from Two Live Crew. Yeah, I'm an old school. I ain't ashamed to admit it. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm not the richest person in the world, but I love music, and I've been blessed to finally get me this beautiful monster right here. Granted, I've never really been experienced in this brand new electronic stuff. You know, I started out with Radio Shack, humbly enough. You know, and then I worked myself up to probably the best setup I ever had was two Technique 1210s with chrome plates. I think my favorite mixer, you know, was a Newmark. But, you know, I've had best stats and techniques and stuff like that, you know. But Denon, the last thing that I ever did here with Denon, I tried out one of their CDJ players. Well, I don't even know if it was a CDJ or whatever, but it was a small little black Denon CD player. And, you know, it felt kind of weird because those splatters were small. These are pretty small too. I've tried it out, you know, at one of the units, which took forever for it to get there at a guitar center. But I'm blessed to actually have one of these now in my possession. And right now all I'm doing is just showing y'all this. I'm doing all this crap, you know, via the phone. I would hate to just stop and, you know, whatever, but I'm gonna have to pause. Let me take this out and then I'll start again. Well, I had a hell of a time getting it out this damn box. Denon really snugged it in here, and it's pretty cool, I guess. But here it is. I ended up having to take these little sticky things or whatever off of there, and now I'm about to open this up. Here's what the whole damn box looks like. Tells you a little bit of info on the side or whatever. Granted that this is a brand new deal, I've have yet to try it out. I still have to go in there and do all the software, you know, updates and firmware and all that good stuff. Here's what it looks like out here in the back. And please, you know, excuse me for doing this so rapidly or whatever. I know a bunch of the stuff that I've been seeing lately for the unboxing from other people has been way more professional. Like I said, this is all brand new to me. So I'm hoping that, you know, y'all like what y'all see and continue to stay, you know, with me throughout my whole journey on all this social media, you know, which I'm planning on doing, uploading this to various sites, my YouTube and all this and that. Eventually turn it all into a professional type deal. But this is kind of cool. I've seen other people have this before. I'm gonna hang this up somewhere.